Hey Project Fam, I'm at it again. Another video, another project, and hopefully no problems. So what are we doing today? Yeah, you know what? They're doing a lot of construction on the highways where I live. There's so many potholes. It's just uncomfortable to ride on coilovers. So I'm going to a different solution. It's not an OEM solution where the suspension is going to be really soft. It's going to be a little firm with a drop. So what we have here are our used, that's right, B8s, Bilstein B8s with H&R drop coils. So I'm dropping about 1 inch with these coils. But as you can tell, I mean, can you see in there? Where's my light? No, I don't have my light. Look at this bump stop. These bump stops are absolutely trash. And these strut boots have seen better days. So what we have is we have some bump stops. We have some boots. This is the rear that I already completed. I have to probably take it apart again, but now I'm about to do the same thing for the other rear. You know what, let's grab some lights because it's just hard to see without lights. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can see. I can't even see it. Somewhere in there is a bump stop. I can't find it. Where's the old bump stop I took off? This is the old strut boot. Oh, here it is. Here is the old bump stop I took off. So you imagine this, right? Versus that. And since I'm changing that, I decided to change this strut boot. Here it is. Here are the strut boots. So I'm going to change it to this strut boot. My front top mounts will get replaced as well. So these, I'm going to take these off. A lot of you are thinking, what am I going to do with the coilovers that are already on my car? I bought the coilovers used as well. When I tried to adjust them, adjust the damper so it's a little softer suspension going over these rough roads, I realized that some of the dampers were not able to be adjusted properly. For me, that's a problem. Either I am going to put these B8s on and I'm going to say, now that's a magic carpet ride and do nothing else, or I'm gonna put these B8s on and say, you know what? I really miss my coilovers. It's a little bit too wishy-washy for me going over bumps, and I will probably send the coilovers away to get refurbished. Either way, I don't think I'm gonna keep two suspensions, this and the coilovers that are on the car, so one of them will get sold. But for right now, let me take apart the second rear strut assembly and change out this strut boot and the bump stop. Tell you, so this one fought me only because there's not a lot of coil spring to grab onto to compress. Nevertheless, we got it done. So we installed the same boot, didn't get a new boot, but I did get a new bump stop and I did get a new top mounting plate. Next, we'll do the same thing to the other one. Just never take both apart at the same time because sometimes you need to look at one to make sure that you got it back properly. Let's measure the height on this first wheel and I'll measure right through the center and I'm at 25 and maybe 5/8. Let's see what we got back here. Almost an even 26. All right, let's measure right through the center again. Ooh, we got 26 1/4, 25 3/4. So I have a couple of suspensions. I have one on the car that I'm taking off, and I have these Bilsteins that I'm putting on. I can't keep both, but let me just give you an idea of the prices of this stuff. Just the shock, that's the yellow part, the front and back, if I buy it new, it's going to cost around $1,100. Then you have to pair the shock with the H&R drop springs. So that's $1,100 plus another $300. That's $1,400 before tax and shipping for brand new. And now for the coilovers on the right, the light blue ones that I'm taking off the car. Those, if I buy a set of Bilsteins B16 PSS 10s, that's going to cost you around $3,200. If you install it yourself, you just need to have a spring compressor and a lot of time, but it's possible. So at the very least, I'll put one for sale on eBay and I'll keep the other. You know what? I think I need to phone a friend. I need to call Boogeyman FPV. Boogeyman, you coming? That's right, Boogeyman's on his way. You'll see him in the next video. I know this is short, but I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of what I'm going through. Peace out. Thanks for showing up. That's right, I heard Boogeyman coming from all the way around the corner. As a matter of fact, the whole neighborhood heard him.